Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the acceleration at equal to 60. We have the initial conditions. That's about v2 equal to number 0, s2 equal to negative number 5. We need to find the Vt and St. This is about velocity. This one is about the position. So now I will show you how to answer. We have at equal to 60. So we want to find Vt. That means we need to do the integral of at dt. So that should be about the integral of 60 dt. And this one you got about 3t squared plus c. We have the initial conditions in here. So you got about 3 multiplied with 2 square plus c. And this one equal to number 0. This one we calculate. You will got about number 12 plus c equal to number 0 and c equals to negative number 12. Now let's go to the second one. And we got about Vt, that's about 3t squared minus 12. Now we do the same technique for St. St, that's about the integral of Vt dt. So we got about the integral of this one. The integral of this one, you will got about t to the power of 3 plus 12, minus 12 t plus d. So we have the given conditions in here. So we put number 2 in here. And this one equals to negative number 5. So we can find the value of d. So we put this one, go to the right. And we got about d equal 11. So you got about st equals to t to the power of 3 minus 12t plus 11. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. Find the area of side S from 0 to 2p. So in this situation, we need to wrap the function in here. The wrap should be like this. So this is from 0b and 2p. So we see that this is about positive, this is about negative. So we want to find the area. So that means everything in here should be about positive. So we will have the integral from 0 to b and psi s ds. Because this one is about negative, so we need to put the negative sign in here. From b to 2b and psi s ds. The integral of this one, you got about negative cosine s from 0 to b. The integral of this one, you got about negative cosine s from b to 2b. So we put b going here, number 0 going here, and we got this one, number 2. This one, positive number 2. 2 plus 2, you got about 4. And this is the final answer. Question number 3. We need to find the volume with the powers in here. So we need to wrap this function in here. Here is about the function y equal to s squared. And we have y equal to number 0. That's about this one. S squared, we put this one in here. We see that the area we need to concentrate, that's about this one, because they rotate about s axis. So that should be like this. So we need to find the volume of this one. The volume in this situation, that should be about b multiply the integral from 0 to number 2, and we have s squared, and we put power 2 in here, ds, and we have the integral from 0 to number 2, s to the power of 4 ds, and this one you got about b s to the power of 5 over 5, and we have the boundary from 0 to number 2, and we calculate about this one in here. So we have 2 to the power of 5 over 5 minus 0 to the power of 5 over 5. And we got the final answer. That's about 32b over 5. And the last one, we need to find about the length of this one. So we need to use about arc length. So we need to find first the derivative of the function. So you got about 3 over 2 s to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. So you got about 3 over 2 s to the power of 1 over 2. And now the formula of the arc length. So we have from 0 to number 1, and we have the square root of 1 plus first derivative of the function to the power of 2, and we have ds. So we put this one to replace this one in here. So we have the square root of 1 plus 9 over 4 s ds. And now this one we can change into the integral from 0 to number 1. And we got about 1 plus 9 over 4 s to the power of 1 over 2 ds. So in this situation, we need to get out the final answer. That's about 1 plus 9 over 4 s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1, because we still have 9 over 4 in here, so we put 9 over 4 in here, and we put the boundary from 0 to number 1. Now we put number 1 and number 0 in here, so we got like this. We simplify this one in here. 8 over number 27 we put number 1 in here. This is about 3 over 2 minus, we have number 1 plus 9 over 4, and number 0 go in here, and we have 3 over 2, and this one we got the final answer. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.